All right, Technivorous here. We got another short and sweet Blender tutorial coming at you. This one is going to be about how to make a flat base for your model or flatten out the bottom of your model so you have a flat surface to work with. I have this very simple Spider-Man that I just knocked out real quick. Nothing super special. What I'm going to do is make sure I'm in object mode. And the first way we're going to do this is to grab a mesh cube, scale it way up. We are going to hit Z to go into wireframe mode, 1 to go into front orthographic mode. And we're just going to kind of lower this to a good spot for a flat point. I think right there should be all right. We're selecting both, and we will Control-Shift-B. We're going for the difference. That leaves me with my Spider-Man pretty flat on the bottom, pretty simple. This just gives you a flat surface for your bed to adhere to. The other thing you can do if you have a more complex model and you want a base for it that is a little bit more detailed is you can mock up. Let's see, I'm just going to do this real quick. I'm just doing some basic shaping and not going to do anything too detailed. You can just bring that right up to it. And then we'll do, let's see, poke face. Oh, wait, not yet. Okay, so extrude size to make it smaller, something like that. So, and that'll also work because these already have a flat base. So, if you want to use Bool tool to subtract from the model and make the base of the model flat, that is Control-Shift-B, and you're going to be looking for the difference. You want to make sure that you have your cube selected first and your model selected second, and then go ahead and join those by the difference. Otherwise, you can simply join other models to it to make a plinth or column-like stand for it. Those are two simple options for getting a flat base on your print.
And as always, guys, I am Technivorous. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. You can subscribe right here by clicking on the icon. And I put a couple videos up in the corner. One of them is going to be my latest video, my latest upload, and the other one is going to be what YouTube recommends for you. So feel free to check those out. Don't forget to hit that bell for notifications down below, and we'll see you guys next time.